Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV Tutorial for Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a video clip in Windows 10 without any software. Windows 10 has built-in tool called Game Bar Compact Mode to help you record your screen during PC applications and Xbox gaming sessions. Unfortunately, gaming features are not available for the Windows desktop or File Explorer, but this tool can be used to record gaming and non-gaming applications. That is what we are going to do. So watch the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. To do that, open the applications you want to record. Then open the game bar by pressing Windows logo key plus G at the same time. Then you will see this kind of capture widget. Then click on the start button to capturing the video, or press Windows logo key plus Alt plus R shortcut key. This will start the recording process. Once you complete the capturing video, stop the recording by clicking on the square button. Then a notification will appear telling you that the game clip was recorded. Click the notification and then File Explorer opens to the specified location. You will find your record videos, which are MP4 files, under the video folder in a subfolder called Capture, like this. That's it. If you are not able to record this video, to use this feature, open the game bar, go to the settings and enable the game bar toggle switch. To do that, open the Windows settings by pressing Windows logo key plus I. Then select the gaming option and in the left pane select the game bar. Then go to the right pane. In the game bar area, turn it on game bar toggle switch, like this. Next, in the left pane, select the game mode. Then go to the right pane. In the game mode management area, turn it on game mode toggle switch, like this. If you want to record gaming video in the background while you're playing a game, to do that, in the left pane, select the captures. Then go to the right pane. In the captures management area, under background, turn it on toggle switch. By default it's off. This may impact the quality of your game. If you have higher quality graphics card and above 16GB memory card, turn it on toggle switch, like this. Then you can record in the background while you're playing a game without any lagging.
I hope this
That's
video
all.
helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.